In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a list on Trello. Whether you're new to Trello or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple and straightforward steps. Let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to Trello's website. So fire up your browser and head over to Trello.com. Once the page loads, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You should see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see a variety of options for logging in. Trello makes it easy for you to access your account through services you might already be using. You can log in using your Google account, Microsoft, Apple, or even Slack. If none of these suit you, you're welcome to use your email address instead. Go ahead and choose whichever method is most convenient for you and log in. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll need to open your specific Trello board where you'd like to add a new list. If you're not sure which board you need, take a moment to navigate through your boards until you find the right one. Now that you're on the right board, let's look towards the right side of your screen. There you should see a button labeled plus add a list. When you see the button, simply click it. This button is your gateway to creating a new segment on your board for organizing tasks, ideas, or projects. Next, you'll be prompted to type in the name of the list you want to create. This is where you get creative or specific. The name of your list could be anything from to-do to project ideas, or whatever suits your workflow best. Type in the name, making sure it clearly represents the tasks or items that will be contained within it. Once you're satisfied with your list name, you have two options. You can either hit the Enter key on your keyboard or select the Add button that appears on the screen. By doing this, you'll save the list and it will now appear on your Trello board. And there you have it, you've added a new list to your Trello board. Remember, this process is not only quick but highly customizable, allowing you to set up your projects just the way you need them. Whether you're a solo operator or working with a whole team, these personalized lists will certainly help you stay organized and efficient. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this tutorial has helped you learn how to add a list on Trello. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a reminder or share this guide with anyone who might find it useful. Happy organizing!